Okay, let's see the chickens. Oh, here's some chicks. Hi, chicks. Oh, so cute. Cheep, 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 cheep. Hello. Okay. Oh, these guys. The roosters who I hear every morning. Hi, roosters. Oh, uh-oh, here's some other big guys. Okay. Hello. Sawadika from Thailand. Hello, hello. Kuncha alive. Okay. Oh, I have a chicken. I love chickens. When I grew up, I was always called chicken girl because I would take care of the chickens and it was my favorite chore. I loved to go out and collect the eggs, but this is a rooster. He was one of the ones that was out, so I was able to get him. And here's a tip for when you hold a chicken. Yeah. It's always a good idea to hold their legs so they don't scratch you. So that's why I'm holding him like this. It still is comfy. It's my baby. Here's some interesting chicken trivia that I have. So, did you know that for every human in the world, there is one chicken? So humans and chickens have the same population. And so that's pretty cool. There's chickens all over the world, every continent, or maybe not Antarctica, but most places there are chickens. So whenever I see a chicken, I feel at home. I remember growing up and hearing the chickens. So at my house, I can hear the chickens a lot. And okay, my other chicken trivia is, did you know that chickens have the closest DNA? Chickens have the closest DNA to a dinosaur, and yeah, you would think it would be like a lizard or some reptile, but if you look at a chicken, they kind of have a dinosaur look to them. Hello, dinosaur. Okay, also, when you move a chicken, their head stays in the same place, so I can move the body, and the head does not move with the body. They're really interesting critters, right? So I love chickens. I always like to hold the chickens. My pet. You want to hold the chicken? So I like the place where I live because there's kids and there's chickens, so can't beat that. Oh no! The chicken does not have a head! This is something else I learned. You can make them go to sleep with their head under their wing. Oh, magic! Now it has a head. Oh. Do you like chickens? Chop guy? As much as I love chickens, I also love to eat chicken. So, I'm sorry, chicken. I appreciate you while you're alive, but I also like to eat them. Aww. Something that I loved when I was a little girl was baby chicks. Oh, so cute. And I love to hear little peeping sounds. I still love chicks. And this is kind of silly, but I love the way that the chicks smell on the top of their head. It's one of those smells that I like. So I'm a chicken nerd. Oh, but they are really cute, right? So I love baby chicks. So I hope you enjoyed watching my video, and let me know of something, an animal that you like or something that makes you feel at home or reminds you of home. So for me, one thing is chickens. So just let me know, comment below, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and Swatika from Thailand. Yes. Hello. Please subscribe to her channel. Yes, please subscribe.